Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So as you can see, we have another package here. So I have bought two more phones, both of them Windows Phone, and one is Lumia 925 and one is 720. So I don't own these phones previously, so I don't have Lumia 925 and 720. And these two phones actually I need to repair. This the seller said 925 doesn't turn on, and 720 does turn on, but the buttons doesn't work. So let's see what's going on with the device. So I paid nearly, I think, about $7 for these two phones. And actually I bought 925 because it was in good condition, and if I buy 925 broken display or anything, I can replace those things with this phone. So I just bought it. Let's see what's going on with the device. So as you can see, both of them well packed, and let's open. Okay, so we are in the phone now. Oh, the water coming from, I don't know, there is some kind of water here. Maybe because of heat there's some moisture build up. Let's see what device is. So as you can see, Lumia 925. Actually, is it in good condition? Actually, it's really good condition. Maybe the buttons cannot press, so that's why it's not turning on. Let me check it. Let's try to power this on. It should turn on. The buttons same, doesn't press, and the power button also cannot press. But as you can see, the displays are okay and they are in quite good condition, and both of them have their SIM tray and other things. So let's see, plug these phones to the power outline and see they turn on or not. Because Lumia does not need any kind of power button. If you plug into the charger, it will turn on automatically. So let's see. So I hope it should turn on the Lumia 620. So let's see. The charger is okay, but still I can't see any sort of thing. I don't know it has a battery or not, but the seller said it does turn on. That means it has battery. Maybe press the button, no sign. Maybe the battery is down to the level that it will take little time to fill up. Maybe, I don't know, but still these two phones can be used as like donor phone and like that. But the buttons actually cannot be pressed. Although yeah, you can hear the sound of this button is working just fine, but other buttons does not work. But I don't know why this phone is not turning on. Let's try to turn on. Maybe something going on with the device, but I cannot see anything here. The plug is okay and the charger is also okay. Oh, it has a scratch, big scratch. So let's see another one. Although the seller said maybe I need to talk to him what's going on with the device. Let's see, Lumia 925, also same, no response. I cannot see anything, no vibration and it. So let's see. Maybe I need to repair this phone, or I need to disassemble this phone and have to try. And this phone is feeling heavy, that means the battery is there. but it still doesn't turn on. Even this phone also heavy, so both of them having batteries, I think, from my knowledge. But this phone should turn on. Maybe the board is loose or something else going on. No signs of life. Yeah, I saw something actually. I saw something on the screen and it's gone. Maybe it has a display problem or something else. Maybe it has a USB port problem too, which, okay, let's check again. Actually, I have seen something here. Let's try to. So I'm not getting anything right now. Maybe let's press the buttons and other things. No. Maybe I need to keep for some time to fill up the battery. Maybe the battery is dead. It will take a little time to fill up, and in my future video I will try to repair these phones actually. And if I can't repair this phone, maybe I will use these phones as a spare parts phone, because this phone has good display still. I can't see any crack. This display is much better than this one, though it has scratches, but this is quite good phone. So I will try to fix this phone in future videos. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you